is Sherkawi, and I would like to welcome you to my course, Introduction to Modeling in Blender. Blender is a very powerful 3D modeling, animation, and rendering application. It can be used to create visuals for animation, special effects. You can create some stunning video games with Blender, and it can also be used for 3D printing along with VR or virtual reality, archivist or architectural visualization, and so much more. Probably one of the best things about Blender is that it's free. It's an open source application, so you can download it whenever you want and use it either on a Mac computer, Windows operating system, or Linux. This course aims to take you in a journey through the main basic features of Blender to help you understand how 3D works, and explains the fundamental concepts and skills that will allow you to create your own three-dimensional models in Blender. So we will start from scratch by downloading and installing Blender on our computer. Then we will jump right into the basics of the interface and how to manipulate objects and navigate in 3D space. For a strong overview about the basics of modeling in Blender, we will be looking at polygon geometry and learn about its different components. We will also see how to organize our models into hierarchies and keep our scene clean and efficient. Once we get the hang of all of this, we will move on and start working on a practical example. This is going to be a project of a mechanical robot, and we are going to be using that throughout this course as we cover the basics of modeling. This project is going to be split into different sections. Each section is going to be about a specific part of the robot, starting with the body, the head, the arms, and then finally the legs. We will talk about building up complex objects from basic shapes, and you will be introduced to some of Blender's modifiers like the mirror and the subdivision surface modifier. And as we go along, we're going to go over many of the commonly used tools in modeling, including extrude, loop, cut, and slide for adding resolution, and also use inset and bevel, and so much more. And we'll also talk about some time-saving tips and techniques. You can also take advantage of the assignment that follows at the end. These assignments will allow you to take what you have learned and apply those tools and techniques to your own project. By the end of this course, you will have a better understanding of how the modeling tools work in Blender, and you will be able to create your own modeling solutions and really come up with a workflow that is comfortable to you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this Introduction to Modeling in Blender course.